Turuan ko kayo kung paano mag-change ng chord ng mabilis. So, start muna tayo sa E minor. Ito yung pinaka-basic na chord kasi 2 fingers lang siya. So, middle finger here. And then, third finger here. So, pag nagpuput kayo ng fingers, make sure that it's na between siya. Between siya nung fret. So, E minor, nasa 2nd fret. How many strings? Lahat. And when you're strumming, it's smooth. Wag yung very tight yung hand. Iba kasi yung labas ng tunog. So, pag nag-strum, it's either index finger or thumb. So, it's up to you. Pwedeng index finger and nail ang gamitin. Kung meron kayong pick, mas better. Para hindi masyadong masugatan yung part ng index finger nyo. Feel nyo muna yung strings and yung sound. Kailangan yung sound nyo is ganito din. E minor. Okay. So, ngayon, start tayo mag-count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yun lang muna, 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Now, different type ng strumming na tuturo ko is down, then mute. When you mute, use this part. Mute means rest. No sound, rest. 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 So, still 4 counts also. Pero yung second beat niya and fourth beat mag-mute. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ulitin natin. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kuha. One more time. Last na lang. Good. Ngayon, play natin siya ng 2 times. And repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, good. And then, third na strumming na ituturo ko is down, up, up. Medyo mabilis yung up, up. Down, up, up. Natin. Down, up, up. Okay. And then yung next niya, down, up, up, mute, mute. Down, up, mute, mute. Down, up, mute, mute. Right after ng up, mute. Up, ready your wrist, mute. Mute siya. Or you can do, pwede rin ganito, pero mas lighter yung pag-touch ng string. Kasi pag hindi, may mga extra tunog. Okay, ulitin natin from the start. Down, up, mute, mute. Down, up, mute, mute. Kuha. And then last, strumming pattern, same lang, down, up, down, down. So, imbis na i-mute nyo, play natin ng down stroke. Down, down. One more time. Down, up, down, down. Down, up, down, down. Etong strumming na to, very basic to. Lagi nyo maririnig to sa mga ibang mga songs. Down, up, down, down. Okay, so 4 na strumming pattern yon. First is 1, 2, 3, 4. And then yung second niya, down, mute, down, mute. And then third, down, up, mute, mute. And then yung fourth, down, up, down, down. Okay. So, E minor, dun pa din tayo sa E minor. And next naman, gawin natin sa A. Ito naman yung A. So, first finger dito. So, second fret, fourth string, 5, 6. Start ng counting ng string is like this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lagi mag-i-start dito sa baba. Huwag sa taas. 6 kasi ito. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, yung A chord is nasa 4th string. 4th string. Papress nyo to. And second fret. And then, second one, middle finger. 3rd string. Same ba din ng fret. And then, last is 3rd finger or your ring finger. 2nd string. A chord. Sa A chord naman ay 5 strings lang ang included. Hindi kasama to. Ito kasi yung base ng A. So, lahat ng chords laging may base yan. Kapag E minor, ito yung base niya. Kaya included yun. Ngayon, pag A naman, ito yung base niya. Okay, ngayon dun tayo sa A chord. Same pa din yung 4 pattern na ginawa natin. Ganun pa rin yung gagawin natin. So, first pattern. Second pattern. Third pattern. And then fourth pattern. Ngayon, i-combine natin yung dalawang chords. So, start tayo sa E minor. And then next is A. So, pag nagsuswitch kayo from E minor, 2 strings lang ang isa-switch pababa. E. Switch lang to. Ito agad yung target. Tapos sa kanyo ilagay yung 1. So, E minor. Practice mo na, E minor. And then, A. Ngayon, lagay kayo ng counting kapag mag-change. For example, laging ang basic natin na counting is up to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then, pag nag-change ng chord, 1, 2, 3, 4. Kailangan in 4 counts ma-reach mo agad yung next na chord para magkaroon ng discipline sa pag-change ng chord. So, dito natin, E minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Kuha. Lagyan natin yung strumming. Once lang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, in short, in between, meron kang 4 beat na pause muna. Take your time para mag-switch siya next na chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Bumalik ako sa E minor. Ngayon, gagawin natin, yung first strumming. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then pause ka muna. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch ng chord. 3, 4. Play. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch ng chord. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Okay, next pattern. 1, pause, 2, pause. Then, 2, 3, 4, down, mute, mute, 1, 2, 3, 4, mute, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yun. Okay, next. Ganun pa din, pero ibang strumming naman. Ready? Down, up, mute, mute, 1, 2, 3, 4, down, mute, mute, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Okay, last strumming. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Okay. So, kung na-feel nyo na yung 4 na pattern na tinuro ko, choose kayo dun sa 4 na yon. And mag-stick muna kayo dun. For example, yung pattern number 4. Mag-stick lang muna ako dito. Pagpapalitan ko yung E minor and A. So, ngayon, gagawin natin, wala nang pause sa gitna. Right after ng first pattern dito, switch na mabilis. So, medyo mahirap yung pag-switching doon. Pero pwede nyo namang i-adjust yung beat. Pwede naman ganon. Kung saan lang magiging komportable yung fingers niya. Pero maglagay kayo lagi ng counting. So, yun lang muna yung first lesson natin. Kapag medyo master nyo na yung strumming, punta na kayo sa next video. Sa lesson number 2.